All right, so the first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna download the EA. Okay, it's downloaded right here. And then you're gonna go to Finder or into your downloads basically, okay? And you're gonna see the Automated Income EA plugin. So you're gonna get two folders. First one is gonna be EA and then presets. Okay, so once you download that, let's just go to the MT4. The first thing that you wanna do is you wanna open your navigator, okay? And we need to make sure the automated income is in here, okay? So if I go to open data folder, MQL4, and then go to experts, you're gonna import it here. So let's say I just delete this real fast. Okay, and then I go to my Finder, and then I go to downloads, and then I go to my EA. Well, actually, I'm just gonna bring everything in here. Okay, just bring it all in here, and then I'm gonna refresh this. Okay, and open my EA here, and then here's my automated income EA. Basically, we need to bring these into the charts. Okay, so if you see here, I have 6 charts open because that's my farm. That's my EA farm. And we're going to start from scratch here. And let's open our EA. So let's go to Euro USD. Let's full scale this, take off the grid. Go to candle, let's zoom in. And let's bring our EA into this chart because right now it's not trading automatically yet. Okay, so what we're going to do is grab your EA and then drag it into the chart. And when it's into the chart, it's going to give you preset values here. So this is not what we want here. We want to make sure we click on load. And then let's just go to our expert advisors presets, and we're going to look for our EU. Okay, because that's the chart that we're on. We're on Euro versus USD. So EU for our chart. Okay, I'm going to press open. Okay, and then these are our plugins right here. Okay. All right, so what we're going to do now is we are going to turn on our plugin because right now it's a sad face, right? So on the right hand side here, we're going to turn this on. Okay, so now it's a green play button, but the sad face is not working yet. So let's right click on the EA, Expert Advisor, go to Properties, and let's go to Common, and let's allow live trading. Press that. And press OK. And now we have a smiley face. And now what's going to happen here is going to trade automatically. But you want to make sure you're on the right hour chart. Okay, so for this preset, it was a 4-hour chart. So let's turn on the 4 hours. Okay, and this is going to trade automatically. We don't interfere with this. Okay, so this is our plugin right here, and it's working on its own. Okay, so that's how you do that. And then you just put it on all the other presets. Okay, and this is what it should look like at the end of the day. So you have a full income farm going on right here on multiple platforms here.